say yes, oh, can't my hint some assembly. I want one to say, Yatiman to so, near you many as pain. I must maybe a manoa, wanting the photocassa, boy, yeah, boy, you're going to take on crime with the Henry Drew. Then somebody have to twin, you have many cosias was saying, Mount 70 picture, Munko Swam of 9. Me fancy crotcha, so you gotta confuse me.
Welcome back. So the last part of the show is going to be with Akan. Welcome to the studios, Akan. I love your name and I like your style. Okay, so your album, Onipa Akoma, is trending. #1. It's been #1 on Uptown and iTunes Ghana. How do you feel about that?
Great. It feels great to put in so much effort, and then it comes out and people respond positive to it. Yeah, it feels great.
So this your braids, no? Is it part of your brand, or will you be taking it out? Tell me about the whole Akan outlook. So
I just happen to leave my hair and not to cut my hair again. So and then every now and then I'll just style the way I feel about it.
But you not put in weaves, would you?
No.
A lot of girls would die for this one, I tell you.
Charlie.
Okay, so put some fire into the studio. Give me some vibe, like.
Oh, Charlie. So I can't. Onipa Akoma album is out.
No, and, I want a freestyle.
Oh, Charlie.
I can't, unfortunately, I can't give you beats.
Asutifo ntie abusua gina mu de ni frafo nye enimie. Shege to me nkra mabedu ensema metie ne se maka koma to so ma hwajo mamanfo ho afo. Yese ma fe meto am obi apem ahwe. Metwa no ko gina mani so mento sabe ma tra puto mea media mea metwe so enkoma ha mu mani ni so a monim dedi mani mabusua medeba. Nyansa mu fa wodi mutime fe me madiba. Obi aba mfa ne crew a pankese na me medeba. Abrantie metwe me ba ho. Beka me mintu takra no maso menka se me yengo osum me de ne sonti eni machi udi machi abema o chale bete we are sinko wo mitin udi anka bete.
All right, that was nice. That was proper joke.
That's it.
Since the last time you've been here, what are some of the changes you've seen in the music industry apart from all the beefing going on? Give me some positive changes.
So lately it looks like everybody is kind of putting their heads together. A lot of support from each other, especially when you're online. You post something, everybody wants to support. Everybody wants to put in a bit of some energy in there to support you. So I think that's cool. SAC is always there. And all the big cards always there support, and so I think it's a good thing. It's a good energy.
Are you a member of Musica?
Yes. Just I think a few weeks ago. Yeah, just a few weeks ago.
Yeah. What pushed you to join?
I mean, being a musician in Ghana, and that's like the umbrella we're all supposed to be. So it only makes sense that I'll go join that union. Yeah.
So do you believe in the school that says that there's a music industry in Ghana, or the school that says that there's no music industry?
I think there is. For me, I think there is. It's just unfortunate we don't have all the structures and all those things
put in place.
Yeah, put in place, but there is.
Okay.
There is, yeah.
Okay. We'll take a break and watch your video.
Sure.
Here's a break.
Sika de ye. Sika ya de ye. Nanso sika kro ya nso de asemba. Sika kro ye nti ankra bia hwe ne ti ho asem ne waka ne din sei. a bony pa or did not tiana bony pa or bonny we had in the gina or nanny pay now in a Tiwati Sika crowd the front of Tiana Fewajina, we pay the dancer see and what in Arani Sika, me Pesica Dima, me Pete Kudama, me Pesica Diama, me women quaggy biaka, me Pesicam Pimpim, ye beboson tentem, if you so chawa yamasho, when he was swabble muaju, me Pesica Fia, me Pesica Tia, me Dibisa, me Pesica Diama, me pay who sent me anemia, as some say, Nipa Bayabin and Swobe Jabako, Tia Mero, Yamamo, then Animal Dabaco, Shagabaya Mobos Obedi Yamra was Asiso, now when you power some Fias and Jedia so, Timomia Hunya, me take a Viasia Padia, me penny a baby me so, and Famo Saga who would be a Sika, Nemo Fame so the Biame Macha, Sika Fita, and I came a pet Nemo Sika Coco, Sika Pudo, Namani Sonia, the best Africa in Sikamapa, Mrs. Shammy Abrametias, when you met Chene Yam, Chessa Jet, I shall want I'm on to work in a fair, Mrs.
Okay, so this video, Misike Aduro by Akan, is touted as the most artistic video so far this year. Akan, what do you think about it? What do you think is true?
Yeah, so far.
So you think this is the most artistic video? Why is it the most artistic video?
Charlie, all the videos out there, it's like somebody's just dancing, somebody's shaking and stuff like that. Nobody's really putting in so much effort for the videos to actually complement what they're saying in the songs.
Okay.
Yeah, so far so good.
You think that's okay?
Yeah.
But your title, the title of the song, Misike Aduro.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about it.
So Misike Aduro is a cut from the album that talks about how much you need money and what you do with the money when it all comes.
Okay.
And then the video is talking about all the transitions you go through with respect to money. Not having money, you could see somebody praying for somebody, not having money, having money, having all the power, having all the luxury, the lust, having everything that got to be with money, and then money also leading to your distraction if you don't manage it well. Yeah, so that's what Misike Aduro is all about. Yeah.
Okay. How long has Misike Aduro been out?
I think 4 to 5 months.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 to 5
What's
months.
the feedback you're getting, apart from it being the most artistic video? What's the feedback you're getting?
Everybody goes like, Charlie, I can relate to this song and I need money. And yeah, so, I mean, money is something we all need. So, I mean, being a very open subject, a lot of people can relate to it and then go like, yeah, they love the rap and all that stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you involved in the whole process of putting the video together, concept-wise, or you were just picked and put in there to act?
Yeah, so I actually wrote every single thing. Yeah, and then, yeah, the director, Skyface Shouts, man, yeah, brought him on board. And then I was like, okay, this is what I have. So you have to try and then put it into images and videos for me. Yeah, so I wrote every single thing. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So currently, the last time you're here, I forgot who you said was inspiring you. But currently, is there somebody who sort of, you sort of shake a little when you hear the person's name when it comes to your genre?
Oh, Charlie. Charlie, honestly, no. I mean, I don't think I'm competing with anybody. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to make my own music, express how I can express it, and so whenever the vibe comes and I'm supposed to let it out, I'm gonna say it out. So for me, it's not really about competition. There are very good rappers over there, but
you're not competing with anybody. You're in your own league. So are you gonna do a Lumba song for me, please?
I should sing a song from Lumba.
Yes.
Oh, Charlie. And
Z. I hope NZ is questioned. Okay. So we here at GBC, GTV, GBC 24, we believe in taking our culture, not throwing everything away, taking our cultures. Whenever new acts come up in here, we ask them to sort of, take an old song and do a rendition. If not a rendition, just take a part of the song so that, we still maintain our culture, our music, and never dies. Because you can vibe to any Lumba song.
I can.
You get it? Yeah. But now it's difficult to vibe to... so I can't mention names here, but after 2 years, some songs become so irrelevant.
Very true.
You understand? Due to content and all of that. So please, the next time you come on here, kindly put in an old song and make it new?
I have a song from what's it's a song from the song title is Biakoye. It's an old song that I sampled on my album.
Okay.
Very adorable and all those, yeah, that type of style, yeah. So, yeah, we are trying. Charlie, small.
Please, do it in your little corner. So, where do we find you on social media? Any projects you're working on currently?
For now, it's really about promoting Onipa Kuma. I've been on tour, first tour, second tour. We're working on the third one, and we'll be doing a very big concert at the end of the year. So, for now, that's what we are focusing on. Yeah. I'm out there, pure Akan, the normal pure Akan. Yes, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook is Akan, SoundCloud, Akan Music.
Are you doing anything apart from music?
No.
Fully into music. Yeah. Are you married? Are you divorced?
No.
Are you single? Are you searching?
I'm not single. I have some cool sunflower there. Yeah,
that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we are wishing you success.
Thank you.
Promoting your songs and keep doing good music. Thank you for passing through.
Thank you.
We've been chatting with Akan. His album Onipa Kuma is on tour actually, and the most artistic video, according to what critics are saying, is also out. Sika and enjoying and play. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of our programs.
Miami mamoni, no dear wabame soko. Nentry nimnira, a frumo nimni ready daka. No man sama de onime. O mani boy and one up to onime. Osrum muntina sasinyeko.
Abusia tintin kwaya ma me nyansa da so akechire no di ye nim ntwanu a me be ye den na me twakọ ye meeting ne se wagira ma na mo mfa so ne sen me be ye ne se me hwe ma bo me ho asafo hene kwakwa bia se be ma boni didi be mpakotia no amama ye me sisi dachi me hwe me ma hasa me wa family ama ma hu se hye ho a wonya brante ato me tim na me ye den na mama kokra mo no